This P1.25 indoor COB splicing screen has high contrast and true color reproduction. It provides ultra-high resolution and uniform brightness for clearer display quality. The P1.25 module adopts a modular design, which facilitates rapid fault detection and replacement, minimizing downtime. Its simplified maintenance process and user-friendly structure improve service efficiency while reducing costs. This design ensures the long-term stability of the system and extends the service life of the digital signage display. This lightweight and space-saving module is ideal for high-end displays and commercial advertising applications.